வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. நாம் இன்னைக்கு சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங் ரிலேட்டடான இன்டர்வியூ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வித் ஆன்சர்ஸ் குயிஸ் டைப்பில் நாம் இன்னைக்கு பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி ஏற்கனவே நம்ம இது மாதிரி நிறையா கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர்ஸ் நம்ம அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி ஒரு 50 கொஷின்ஸ் வித் ஆன்சரோடு நாம் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், தி யூனிட் of force in SI system of unit is option A dyne, option B kilogram, option C Newton, option D watt. So this answer, the unit weight of force in SI system of unit is option C Newton. This answer is option C Newton. The next question number 2. 1 kg force is equal to 1 kg force is equal to option A 7.8 Newton, option B 8.9 Newton, option C 9.8 Newton, option D 12 Newton. So this answer, 1 kg force is equal to option C 9.8 Newton. Then next question number 3. The unit of angular velocity is option A meter per minutes, option B radius per second, option C revolution per minutes, option D all the above. This answer, the unit of angular velocity is option B and C. இந்த ரெண்டுமே இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் தான். Then next question, question number 4. The process of finding out the resultant force is called dash of forces. Option A composition, option B resolution. Fourth question answer, the process of finding out the resultant force is called option A composition of forces. The next, fifth question, a resultant force is a single force which produces the same effect as produced by all the given forces acting on a body. Option A true or option B false. This answer, option A true. Then next question number 6. Vector's method for the resultant force is also called polygon law of forces. Option A correct, option B incorrect. This answer, vector's method for the resultant force is also called polygon law of forces is option A correct. Then question number 7. The resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle theta is option A root of P squared plus Q squared plus 2PQ sin theta, option B root of P squared plus Q squared plus 2PQ cos theta, option C root of P squared plus Q squared minus 2PQ cos theta, option D root of P squared plus Q squared minus 2PQ tan theta. Seventh question answer, the resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle theta is option B root of b squared plus q squared plus 2pq cos theta is the correct answer. Then question number 8. If the resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle theta makes an angle alpha with the force B, then option A, tan alpha is equal to P sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. Option B, tan alpha is equal to P cos theta by P plus Q cos theta. Option C, tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. Option D, tan alpha is equal to Q cos theta by P plus Q sin theta. This answer is option C, tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta is the correct answer. Then question number 9. The resultant of two forces P and Q such that B greater than Q acting along the same straight line but in opposite directions is given by option A, P plus Q, option B, P minus Q, option C, P by Q, option D, Q by P. This answer is option B, P minus Q. P minus Q is the correct answer. Then next question number 10. The resultant of two equal forces P making an angle theta is given by option A, 2P sin theta by 2, option B, 2P cos theta by 2, option C, 2P tan theta by 2, option D, 2P cot theta by 2. This answer is the resultant of two equal forces P making an angle theta is given by option B, 2P cos theta by 2. Then next question number 11. The resultant of two forces each equal to P and acting at right angle is option A, P by root 2, option B, P by 2, option C, P by 2 root 2, option D, root of 2P. This answer is the resultant of two forces each equal to P and acting at right angle is option D, root 2P. Then next question number 12. The angle between two forces when the resultant is maximum and minimum respectively are option A, 0 degree and 180 degree, option B, 180 degree and 0 degree, option C, 90 degree and 180 degree, option D, 90 degree and 0 degree. This answer is the angle between two forces when the resultant is maximum and minimum respectively are option A, 0 degree and 180 degree. Then next question number 13. If the resultant of two equal forces has the same magnitude as either of the forces, then the angle between the two forces is option A, 30 degree, option B, 60 degree, option C, 90 degree, option D, 120 degree. This answer is option D, 120 degree. The next question. The rate of doing work is known as option A, potential energy, option B, kinetic energy, option C, power, option D, none of this. This answer is the rate of doing work is known as option C, power. Then next question. Question number 15. The unit of power in SI units is option A, horsepower, option B, joule, option C, watt, option D, kg meter. This answer is the unit of power in SI unit is option C, watt. Then next question. Question number 16. Energy may be defined as the capacity of doing work. Option A, correct. Option B, incorrect. This answer is the unit, sorry, energy may be defined as the capacity of doing work is option A, correct. The next question, 17. Question number 17. The unit of energy is SI unit is option A, dyne, option B, watt, option C, kg meter, option D, joule. This answer is the unit weight of energy in SI unit is option D, joule. Then next question. Question number 18. The energy possessed by a body for doing work by virtue of its position is called option A, potential energy, option B, kinetic energy, option C, electrical energy, option D, chemical energy. This answer is option A, potential energy. Then next, 19th question. The kinetic energy of a body dash upon its mass and velocity. Option A, does not depend. Option B, depends. This answer is the kinetic energy of a body depends upon its mass and velocity. This answer is option B, depends. Next, question number 20. 1 joule is equal to option A, 0.1 Newton meter, option B, 1 Newton meter, option C, 10 Newton meter, and option D, 100 Newton meter. This answer is 1 joule is equal to option B, 1 Newton meter. Then next question, question number 21. Question number 21. The potential energy stored by a spring in compression is called strain energy. Option A, yes, or option B, no. Answer. The potential energy stored by a spring in compression is called strain energy is option A, yes. Then question number 22. When a body of mass m attains a velocity v from rest in time t, then the kinetic energy of translation is option A, mv squared, option B, mgv squared, option C, 0.5 mv squared, and option D, 0.5 mgv squared. This answer is option C, 0.5 mv squared. Then next question, question number 23. Question number 23. The friction experienced by a body when in motion is known as option A rolling friction, option B dynamic friction, option C limiting friction, option D static friction. This answer is the friction experienced by a body when in motion is known as option B dynamic friction. Then question number 24. The ratio of static friction to dynamic friction is always option A equal to 1, option B less than 1, option C greater than 1, and option D none of this. This answer is the ratio of static friction to dynamic friction is always option C greater than 1. Then question number 25. Moment of inertia is the option A second moment force, option B second moment of area, option C second moment of mass, option D all of this. This answer is moment of inertia is the all of this. Then next question number 26. Question number 26. The moment of inertia of a solid sphere of mass m and radius r is option A 2 mv squared by 3, option B 2 mr squared by 5, option C mr squared, option D mr squared by 2. This answer is the moment of inertia of a solid sphere of mass m and radius r is option B 2 mr squared by 5. The next question number 27. The moment of inertia of a solid cone of mass m and base radius r about its vertical axis is option A 3 mr squared by 5, option B 3 m squared by 10, option C 2 mr squared by 5, option D mr squared by 2. This answer is option B 3 m squared by 10. Then next question number 28. Question number 28. A force acting in the opposite direction to the motion of the body is called force of friction. Option A agree, or option B disagree. This answer is option A agree. Then question number 29. The maximum frictional force which comes into play when a body just begins to slide over the surface of the other body is known as option A static friction, option B dynamic friction, option D C limiting friction, option D coefficient of friction. This answer is option C limiting friction. Then next question number 30. Question number 30. If three forces acting at a point P represented in magnitude and directions by the three sides of a triangle taken in order, the forces shall be in equilibrium. Option A true, option B false. This answer is option A true. Then next question number 31. two equal and opposite parallel forces whose lines of action are different can be replaced by a single force parallel to the given forces. Option A correct, option B incorrect. This answer is option B incorrect. The next question number 32. Question number 32. A couple produces option A translatory motion, option B rotational motion, option C none of the above. This answer is a couple produces option B rotational motion. The next question number 33. The point through which the whole weight of the body acts irrespective of its position is known as option A moment of inertia, option B center of gravity, option C center of mass. This answer, question number 33, option B center of gravity. The next question number 34. In an irregular body may have more than one center of gravity. This answer is option A yes. Then next question. The center of gravity of a rectangle lies at a point where its two diagonal meets each other. Option A agree. The next question number 36. The center of gravity of an isosceles triangle with base B and sides Q from its base is option A root of 4p squared minus q squared by 6, option B 4p squared minus q squared by 6, option C p squared minus q squared by 4, option D p squared plus q squared by 4. This answer is option A root of 4p squared minus q squared by 6. Then next question. Question number 37. The center of gravity of an equilateral triangle with each side A is dash from any of the three sides. Option A root of 3a by 2, option B 2 root 3a, option C a by 2 root 3, option D 3 root 2a. This answer is option C a by 2 root 3. Then next question number 38. The center of gravity semicircle lies at a distance of dash from measured along the vertical radius. Option A 3r by 8, option B 4r by 3 by, option C 8r by 3, option D 3r by 4 by. This answer is option B 4r by 3 by. Then next question. Question number 39. Question number 39. The center of gravity of a hemisphere lies at a distance of 3r by 8 from its base measured along the vertical radius. Option A right, Option B, wrong. This answer is option A, right. The next question number 40. The moment of inertia of a square of side A about an axis through its center of gravity is option A squared by 4, option B, A squared by 8, option C, A power 4 by 12, option D, A power 4 by 36. This answer is A power 4 by 12. Then next question number 41. Question number 41. The moment of inertia of a rectangular section 3 cm wide and 4 cm deep about x axis is option A 9 cm power 4, option B 12 cm power 4, option C 16 cm power 4, option D 20 cm power 4. This answer is option C 16 cm power 4. Then next question number 42. The moment of inertia of a square of side A about its base is A power 4 by 3. Option A, true. Option B, false. This answer is option A, true. The next question number 43. The velocity ratio for the third system of pulleys is option A, n, option B, n squared, option C, 2 power n, option D, 2 power n minus 1. This answer is option D, 2 power n minus 1. Then next question number 44. The moment of inertia of a square of side A about its diagonal is option A squared by 8, option B, A cube by 12, option C, A power 4 by 12, option D, A power 4 by 16. This answer is the moment of inertia of a square of side A about its diagonal is A power 4 by 12. The next question number 45. Moment of inertia of a circular section about its diameter D is option A, pi d cube by 16, option B, pi d cube by 32, option C, pi d power 4 by 32, option D, pi d power 4 by 64. This answer is option D, pi d power 4 by 64. Then next question number 46. Moment of inertia of a circular section about an axis perpendicular to the section is option A, pi d cube by 16, option B, pi d cube by 32, option C, pi d power 4 by 32, option D, pi d power 4 by 64. This answer is option C, pi d power 4 by 32. Then question number 47. The velocity ratio for the second system of pulley is n. Option A, true. Option B, false. This answer is option A, true. Then next final question number 48. The velocity ratio of the first system of pulleys with 4 pulleys is option A, 4, option B, 8, option C, 16, option D, 20. This answer is the velocity ratio of a first system of pulleys with 4 pulleys is option C 16.